high call series.
Students, in this class, exercise 3.2, add the following. Okay. Under section A, add the following. These are the very big numbers. Now, on the large numbers, you are learning about addition. Okay. First of all, you have to copy the two numbers, one below the other. Okay, according to the place. So, write here 375294 386. 375294 386. 8 units, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crores, 10 crores. What is this number? 37 crores, 52 lakhs, 94,386. Now, write the second number also under the first number according to the place value. So, here 92 crores, 76 lakhs, 41,000, 20. Okay, 92 crores, 76 lakhs, 41,000 and 20. Okay, now after writing the two numbers one below the other, we go for addition. Once you check the place values, first one units place, tens place, hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs place, this is crores place, this is 10 crores. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. According to the place values, we write the two large numbers, one below the other. Now, start doing the test. Add the digits in the units place. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Write 8 in the ones place. Come to tens place. Now, this is units place. Now, come to tens place. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Strike off 0, write in the tens place. And 1 carried out to the next place. 1 carried out to the next place. That means 8. Now add the 100 digits. 100 plus digits. What are the digits in 100 here? 3, 0 and 1 carried. 3 plus 0 plus 1 carried. Add. So 3 plus 1 4. So we write 4 in the 100. Now take the thousands place. What are the digits of thousand here? 4 and 1. Thousands place. 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Write 5. Next, 10,000 place. What are the digits of 10,000 here? 9 and 4. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. So, strike off 3. Right here. No 1 is there. 1 is carried to the lakhs. Now, add the digits of lakhs place. What are the lakhs plus digits? 2 plus 6 plus 1 is the carry lakh. That is equal to 2 plus 6, 8 plus 1, 9. So, we write 9 here. Lakhs plus over. Now come to 10 lakhs plus. What are the digits of 10 lakhs? 5 and 7. 10 lakhs. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. So strike up to right here. And 1 is there, 1 is to be carried. 1 is to be carried to the crores place. Okay. Now add the digits of crores place. That means 7 plus 2 plus 1. How much? 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So strike out 0, right in the crores place, and 1 is there. 1 is to be carried to the 10 crores place. Okay. Now add the digits of 10 crores. What are the digits of 10 crores? 3 plus here 9 plus 1. That is equal to 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 13. So write 13. That means 3 in the 10 crores. And 1 is there now. That 1 goes to the 10 crores of the 100 crores. Here only. Okay, children. So here, plus symbol over here, because this is the addition. So, once again, check the sum. 6 plus 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 here, 1 is there, 3 plus 1 here, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 right here, and 1 here carry, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9, here 7 plus 5, 12, 2 here, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 0, 1 here, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 30. So in the answer, we got one more place also. That is, which place is this? 100 crores. Crores to 10 crores of the 100 crores. So what do we say here? 130 crores, 29 lakhs, 35,408. This is the result. Sum of the two numbers. It's a very big number. That's why on the large numbers, we are practicing the addition part. Come to section B. In this section, learn about the subtraction on the large numbers. So, subtract the following and check your answer. So, this is the question. That means 37 crores, 87 lakhs, 65,432 from 97 crores, 58 lakhs, 42,406. Okay, this is the subtraction problem on large numbers, not on small. Okay, so in the subtraction, we write the big number first. Under the big number, we write the small number. That's why write the big number according to place values. So 60 children here, 9, 7, 5, 8, 4, 2, 4, 0, 6. Under this small number, 37 crores, 87 lakhs, 65,430. What we are doing? Subtraction. That's why. Right? Minus. Okay. Plus is also you can write at the top of that number. To avoid the confusion, better to write the plus. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, okay, 10,000s, 10,000s, next lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. TC, yeah, TC means what? 10 crores. T for 10, C for crores. Okay, children. So lakh, units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs here, PL means 10 lakhs. Crores, 10. Now, start doing the subtraction. In the subtraction, first of all, units place you see, 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Come to the 10th place. We can't subtract from 0. That's why ask borrow from before place. So here borrow represents 1, 10, borrow represents 10. So here 10 we get, here 10. And here 4 give borrow, that's why 4 becomes 3. 4 becomes 3. Right. Now 10 minus 3, 7. Now here, can you subtract 4 from 3? No. That's why ask borrow from itself before place. Then 2 is giving borrow. So here 3 becomes 13, 3 becomes 13 and 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. Now 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. Okay, here 1 is there now. Can you subtract 5 from 1? No. That's why take borrow. If you take borrow, then what happens? Here 1 becomes 11. 1 becomes 11 and 4 becomes 3. 4 becomes 3. Now subtract 11 minus 5. Okay, 11 minus 11 minus 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 how much here? 6. 11 minus 5, 6. Here 3 is there no? Can you subtract 6 from 3? No. So ask what? 3 becomes 30. 3 becomes 30. Now here 8 becomes 7. 8 becomes 7. Now subtract. 13 minus 6 is how much here? 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. Here you see 7 is there no? 7 minus 7 0. 7 minus 7 0. Now here 8. Can you subtract 8 from 5? Can you subtract? No. So borrow. 5 becomes 15. This 5 becomes 15. And this 7 becomes 6. 7 becomes 6. Now 15 minus 8 how much? 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here what is there? 6 is there. 6 is there. We cannot subtract 7 from 6. So ask borrow. So if you take borrow, 6 becomes 16 and 9 becomes 8. Now 16 minus 7 how much? 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. Now here 8 is there, 8 minus how much? 5. 8 minus 5. So this is the difference. This is difference. This is called subtract. subtract. This is called mildly. Mildly and subtrahend difference. Now check your answer. Check your answer. So to check your answer, what we do? We add the difference to the subtract. Okay. So we are going for checking. Check. So to the subtrahend, add the difference. Subtrahend is not only here, subtrahend 3787 6543. That is subtrahend. Difference is 5970 76 974. Add plus means that is add 4 plus 2 6 7 plus 3 10 0 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14 like 4 here and 1 is there 6 plus 1 7 plus 5 12 2 1 is there 7 plus 1 here 6 6 plus 6 12 2 here 1 carried 7 plus 1 8 8 plus 7 15 5 right here 1 carried 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 7 17 right 7 here 1 is there 5 plus 8 plus 1 9. Okay children, 9758. So what is the, here you see once you check to be here, one time you see once again 4 plus 2 6 7 plus 3 10 0 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 14 4 1 6 plus 1 7 7 plus 5 12 2 here 1 is there 7 plus 1 8 8 plus 6 14. That's why here 4 right. Okay. Then here 1 7 plus 1 8 8 plus 7 15 5 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 17 7 1 4. See children, this is what migrate. This is what migrate. This is subtrahend. This is what difference. So subtrahend plus difference is equal to 9758 42406. That is the migrate. Adding the subtrahend difference, we are getting migrate. So like this, we show the subtraction on the large numbers and at the same time we can check the result. Okay children? These are the very big numbers. Okay children? Right. Now just for practice, let us study one more subtraction problem on the large numbers. Subtract 26 2 crores 8 units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So 2 crores 68 lakhs 43,590. From 8 crores 93 lakhs 67,004. Okay. Subtract. So to subtract, what we do? We write the large number first. Under the large we write the small number. So write that one. So here 8, 9, 3, 6, 7, 0, 0, 4. Places, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, children. Now, write that. For this, 2 crores, 68 lakhs, 43,000, okay, children. 509. Like this. We thought. One below the other, the numbers were written according to the place. Now, so subtract. That means minus. Begin here. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, now come to tens place. Can we subtract 9 from 0? We can't subtract 9 from 0. We cannot subtract. That's why ask borrow from the next place. So, if you ask borrow from the next place, then what happens? Here 0 becomes 10. Okay, 0 becomes 10. And here 0 cannot give borrow, that's why here 0 becomes here 9. And here 7 becomes 7 is giving borrow, that's why 7 becomes 6. Okay, children, here 9 cannot be subtracted from 0. That's why we ask borrow from its before place. But here 0 is there. 0 cannot give borrow. That's why we can get borrow from the thousands place. That's why what we write here, 0 becomes 10. And here 0 becomes 9. And here 7 becomes 6. Now, 10 minus 9 how much? 10 minus 9 1. Now, 9 minus 5 how much? 4. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 3 how much? 3. 6 minus 3. Now come here. Thousands plus 2. 6 minus 4 how much? 6 minus 4 is 2. Look at it. Now, can you subtract 8 from 3? Can you subtract 8 from 3? No. Not possible. That's why ask borrow from the before place. Then 3 becomes 13 and 9 becomes 8. Okay, for example, you write here down on the right. Here 13 and here 3 becomes 13 and 9 becomes 8. Now do subtraction. 13 minus 8 how much? 13 minus 8 is 5. And here 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 8 minus 2 6. This is the following subtraction of the large number. This is minus. This is subtrahend. This is difference. And to check your answer, what I told, add the subtrahend and the difference. What is subtrahend here? This one, this is subtrahend, right here. Difference right under the number. Difference is 6, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now add. Okay, this is for checking. Okay, that's why here you write check. Check we write. Add 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write 3 here, here 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 6 8936 7004. This is what? My unit. So here subtraction to the subtracted to the subtrahend to the subtrahend, difference is added. Difference is added. By adding these two, what we got? Minus into we got. What is the minus here? 8936 700. This is it. Like this we can take the subtraction. Okay, children? Go to the next section. Now, in this section, see, find the missing digits. Here, two problems are there. How to fill up the missing digits I explained. Okay, the second one you can do for practice. See the first one. First one is addition problem. First one is addition problem. In this problem, what are the missing digits? The missing digits I wrote in circle. The circled digits are the missing digits. Try to understand. The circled digits are the missing digits. Okay, I filled the missing digits. How we should fill the missing digits? In the rougher, that means in that margin, I explain how to fill up these missing. In this addition problem, see the first one here. Here, missing digit 2 add. Then in answer 1 is there. So to what number? If we add 2, then we get here 1. Okay. So to the number 2, what is to be added to get here? That means 9 plus 2 is, here 9 is to be taken. Why? Because 9 plus 2 means if we add 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 how much here? 11 we get. 9 plus 2 is 11. If we take 9 here, then 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Then we strike off 1. We write here 1. And another one is the carried number. Okay, children. Now you see, 1 is the carried 10 and the 8 tens, here 3 tens. Okay. Now add 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. Then we strike off this 2. We write here. That means in this blanks 2 we write. In this blanks what we write? 2. Now 1 is there. 1 is to be carried to the next place. That means 100 place. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Here blank is there. To get 7 here, what is to be added here? 7 is to be taken. If we take 7, then 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 9, 17 will come. See? 1 plus 7 plus 9. Here 7 is the blank number. Then how much we get? 17 we get. So here 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Then 7 here we write and 1 is there. That 1 we write in the next. Okay, children. So, like this you write 9 plus 1, 10. Here we have to get 7. That's why What is to be taken here? 7 is to be taken. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. In 17, we strike off 7. We write here. And 1. We write here. Now add. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. See children? 1 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8. So strike off 5. Here we write 5. That's why here the blank answer is 5. Blank answer is 5. Then 1 is to be carried here. 1 is to be carried here. Now 1 plus 7, 8. To 8, how much is to be added? To get 3, 5 is to be added. So here 1 carried plus 7 is there. Plus if we add 5 means then 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5 is 30. Then strike off 3 right here. 3 is there already. What is to be written in the blank here? 5 is to be written. Then 5 plus 1, 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 13. Then 3 strike off, we write 3 here, and here 1. 1. Now 4 plus 1, 5. To 5, how much is to be added? To get 11 means 6. If we write 6 and add, then what we have in 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay. So here 1 is carried. 4 plus, here blank is there, 6 I wrote. So here 1 we have to get, no, that's why here 6, if we add 6 here, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11 will come. Okay. If we write here 6 means, then 11 will come. Then strike off 1 we write here, and here another 1. Now you see 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. So here 1, here 1. 1 is carried. Now 5, 1. How much 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 1 is here 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. To 6, how much is to be added to get 9? Here 5 plus 1, 6. To 6, how much is to be added to get 9? So 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, children. Now here 2 is there. 4 is the blank answer. Here 6. To get 6, what is to be added for 2? To get 6, what is to be added for 2? 4 is to be added. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Like this, just by doing some rough work, we can guess the suitable number in the given blank. We can guess the suitable number in the given blank. Okay. This is an example for you how to guess the missing digits. Like this, another sum is there. Do it for practice. Now we are going to the word problems. Okay. Let us study the word problems. Right, children? Okay. Now we are going to read word problems. So in the section D, word problems are there. The first question is, solve the following. First one, in a food grain, in a food grain, go down. In a food grain, go down. 69,88,200 bags of wheat were stored. Rats ate away 379 bags. The rain spoiled 4,975 bags. How many bags remained in the godown? This is the question. So after reading the question, now come to an understanding about that. and write the steps. What is given in the problem? See here. In a food grain go down, how many wheat bags stored? A food grain go down, how many bags of wheat stored? See, 69,88,200 bags of wheat are stored. That much of bags are stored in the godown. Okay. Very in the beginning, in the godown, how many bags are there? 69,88,200 bags are there. Now what happened? Rats ate away 379 bags. Rats are there. Rats will eat now, eats. So rats ate some bags. How many bags were eaten by rats? How many bags were eaten by rats? 379 bags. Okay, children. Next one. Due to rains, some bags were spoiled. Some bags were spoiled due to rain. How many bags were spoiled? See, 4,975 bags were spoiled. So, how many bags remained in the godown? Okay, children. So, to find the bags remained in the godown, what you have to do here? Here, bags ate by rats and number of bags spoiled by rain, these two we add. This one and this one we add. Okay. Add 379 and 4,975. By adding these two, what we get here? Total number of bags. Okay. Spoiled by rats and ate by rats and spoiled by rain. That number you subtract from very in the beginning, you go down how many bags are there? 69,88,000. From that number, subtract. Then you get bags remained in the godown. Okay, children? Right. So first step you write. Bags in the godown. Bags in the number of bags, you write that. Number of bags in the godown. How many? 69 lakhs, 88,200. Very in the beginning. Okay. Next. Number of bags eaten by rats. Number of bags eaten by rats. How many bags were eaten by rats? 307. That we write as second step. Number of bags eaten by rats. How many? 370. Next, due to rains, how many bags were spoiled? Rain spoiled 4,975 bags. So, number of bags spoiled by rain. Here rats, here rain. So, how many bags were spoiled by rain? 370. Rain spoiled 4,970 according to places. Now, by adding these two, What we get here? Together we get that means bags eaten by rats and bags spoiled by rain. Both add. So number of bags, number of bags we lost. Number of bags we lost. That means how can we get here? The two numbers we add is equal to number of bags we lost is equal to together. Here we write add these two 379 plus 4,975. 379 plus 4,975. 4,975. Add. You know addition. So in the you take the margin work here and add 4,975 and 4,975. Add 9 plus 5 14, 4 here 1 is there. 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 5 1 is there, no right 1 is here. 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, 3 here 1 right, 4 plus 1 5. 5,354. These bags, number of bags we lost together. Okay, now how many bags remain in the code? How many bags remain in the code? So, to get that, you subtract this one from this number. That means very in the beginning, in the go down, how many stored that one from that. So here, number of bags remained in the go down. Number of bags remained in the go down. In the go down is equal to 69,88,200 minus 5,354. Okay, students, are you following? Now here subtraction, so subtraction. 69,000, 88,000, 69 lakhs 88,200 minus 5,330. 5,354. Subtract. Then here 0 minus 4, subtraction not possible. Take borrow. So here can you write and here 9. 2 is giving borrow, that's why you write here 1. Because here you borrow, that's why we can take borrow from this number 2. That's why here 1 we write, here 9, here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 9 minus 5, 4. Can you subtract 3 from 1? No. That's why ask borrow. So 1 becomes 11 and 8 becomes 7. Now here 11 minus 3, how much? 11 minus 3, 8. Here 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Remaining numbers as it is, we write 8, 9, 6. In the 3 numbers, no change. Okay, children? 0 minus 4 here once again see. Here borrow, so 10 minus 4, 6. It gave borrow, that's why 9 only, 9 minus 9 here, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 means 4 here, what? By mistake. So, you have to number, no, that's why here 4 only. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. So 10 minus 4 here 10 minus 4, 6 here, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Here 3 cannot be subtracted, that's why borrow taken. So 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Here 7 is there, 7 minus 5, 2. Here 8, 9, 6. So 6, 9, 8, 2, 8, 4, 6. 69 lakhs 82,846 bags remained in the godown. How can you check your answer? How can you check your answer? These are the remaining in the godown, the remaining bags in the godown. This one and bags we lost by the effect of rats and rain add. Then you will get the very in the beginning bags stored in the godown you can get. So add okay to the 16,000 to the 16 lakhs 82,046. To this if we add bags lost 5354. How much? 5354. Add 6 plus 4 8 10 0 1 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 0 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 8 12 2 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 8 9 6 6 9 8 8 200 6 7 8 8 200. So your sum is correct. Like this we can check the answer. Okay children. So very in the beginning this much of bags was stored. Now rats ate some bags 379 and some bags were spoiled by rain 4,975. So here we add both, that means rats affect bags and rain spoiled bags. Both are added. 5,354 you got. Now, number of bags remained in the godown means in the beginning stock is there that much of stock. From that stock, bags lost. How many bags we lost? 5,354. That is subtract. Then we got this. This is the number of bags remained in the godown. This is the procedure. Okay, students. Right.